Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Good morning, ma'am.
Class, your final requirement is a research paper. This will be 30% of your grade. The deadline is next week.
Next ka doon, ang dami ko pang ginagawa.
Kaya mo yan siya, start ka rin.
Wala pa akong nasusulat. Paano ba to? I-AI ko na lang. Yes.
Natapos mo?
Oo, natapos ko.
Time to pass your research paper now. Wait, bakit familiar to? Class dismissed. Can you see me after class? I ran your paper through a plagiarism checker. 85% is from an online article. Plagiarism means
Yes po, ma'am. Copying someone's work without credit.
why did you do it?
I was pressured. I was scared to fail.
Being pressured is not an excuse. Plagiarism is dishonesty. You are capable of your own ideas, Chan. Okay, I'm giving you one chance to redo it. But remember, integrity is more important than grades.
I shouldn't copy it. Mali talaga.
Mas okay lang mababa at least sariling gawa.
Sean learned that plagiarism is not just copying words. It is stealing someone's effort and losing your integrity. Grades can be repeated, character cannot.